think it's going to be an absolutely fantastic game here. Decent crowd that's come out here at Wazanai, and we can see the lineups there. Simba Bhora, William Tola there are making that #1 spot. He's at Simba Bhora, and then obviously we'll look at how they line up as well. Gururab, they are leading the front there with his 2 goals. I think he'll be the man to watch.
Yeah, the only change that Simba Bhora have made this afternoon. Last weekend, they had Marvin Wata in there, and this afternoon is Saka Kurirab coming on. Manica Diamonds, the team that beat Dynamos at Sakuba Stadium, they made 2 changes to that. Isa Sadiki comes on for Anelka Chivandire, and Tino Tena Murasiranwa also comes on for Evans Katema, and they were playing in a 4-3-3 formation this afternoon.
Yeah, man, it's an exciting lineup there. Really excited.
Picks up Zuocha. Good through ball for Kangazi. Kangazi! And Bayer does well. I think it went straight down at him.
I mean, the incidents like the one we're talking about will be long forgotten, but an attacking opportunity there. Brett Amuli driving, runs into traffic. And
an opportunity can. Oh, and Manica Diamonds have opened the scoring. Is that man again, Charles Teguru?
But I think
my word.
That goal belonged to Brett Amidi. I think his direct run into the box, he looked like he was tackled by Ishianisu Mauchi, but in the end it was a very difficult angle for Teguru there, and it almost feels like against the run of play. And we did say something, I did say.
And they come now with Makunike. He's got space. A shot from distance. Oh! It's in! 1-1. Oh, took an awkward bounce in front of the goalkeeper. Oh, my word!
And the crowd here at Wazanai Stadium coming alive, but Teddy Aspire, he'll be having nightmares about. Julia Makunike had a bit of a brain freeze there.
So I love the way you say on and off the field. It's been a beautiful first 45. So the cross whipped in. Oh, the goalkeeper leaving the ball, and there was Tafa. Just ghosting from the blind side.
That was a very...
And the Castle Lager Premier Soccer League.
And it looks like the ball boy has returned to behind the goal once again.
As they come through, tuck back, and it's in! Isak Kurirab. 3-1. The champions are in cruise control.
And Kangazi once again, Gururab finished it, but Kangazi involved once again. And his teammates also rushing to celebrate with him. I think Samba has come alive this afternoon. Goals few and far between, but my oh my. And guess what? The ball boy has disappeared from behind the goal now.
Playing with the confidence of a veteran. Gururab gets away from his marker. Ziwacha. The cross is good. Maka! 4 is the number. And the champions are on a roll. Simba Bhora 4, Manica Diamonds 1.
The champions are running riot here at Wazanai Stadium. Like I say, every time they've ventured forward in this first half, bang bang. And Ziocha, I think we were talking about it with the Panthers at halftime. We said he was asleep in the first half, but my oh my heart, he is wide awake now, wide awake.
And Tigera gets away from his marker. And that's the final whistle here at Wazanai Stadium. The champions finally showing their teeth, roaring in their cauldron What a nice stadium.